Happy May, everyone. Hope you are doing really well and enjoying this beautiful warm weather. I want to give you a recap of the April numbers, which have been out for a couple of weeks, and we've been busy at the Otha Group, but we wanted to give you some more information other than just plain old numbers this month. The average price of a detached home is sitting just over $1 million, almost at 1.1 at $1,090,000. And while the market is definitely correcting from the January, February, and March numbers, we're still up 15% year over year. Why does it matter? Well, it matters to show that there's actually steady growth that's happening in the city. However, historically as realtors, we don't like to rely on the January and February numbers, which are always really robust and strong numbers out of the gate from the holidays. They're usually record setters, but you can't really use those numbers to rely on when running numbers in spring for clients, whether we're running evaluations for you or you're thinking of selling your home after your neighbor in January had a record setter. That's not the reality, and even more so now as rates rise and the market is still finding balance, we're starting to see new things every day in markets. While the market continues to balance in many neighborhoods, there are changes that can be seen whether you're in the 416 or the 905. Some neighborhoods more than others are having a period of adjustment that is a little uncomfortable right now. But again, if you're trying to rank up your home's value today as at January, February, and March, you are wrong about those numbers. You've got to adjust down and pay attention to what is happening in the market today. There's definitely some major impact coming from these rate rises, and we should expect another one before the summer is over. The rate rise directly correlates to buyers' monthly payments. So as buyers feel the rise in gas prices, the rise in what it costs to feed a family, the grocery store, you're all feeling it like I am. The mortgage payment coupled with all those other things that are high these days is putting pressure on families. So of course there's resistance, there's some holdback. Nobody is rushing to buy the house the first 3 hours that it hits the market. We're seeing people take time, often go back once, twice, 3 times even to see a property before they're confident and ready to make a decision. Does it mean it's not a good time to sell? No, because it means it's a great time to buy. There's still great opportunities if you're thinking about selling your home. You just want to pay attention to today's real prices and have great expectations in a realistic May, June, July market. It's really important if you're thinking of selling this summer to make sure that your house is in tip-top shape. Buyers are fussier than ever, and these rising rates are giving people pause. So they're looking for things that are turnkey. They are not looking to buy houses that need a bunch of work because that costs more money, and renovation prices are also super expensive. We can thank COVID for that. So if you can give someone turnkey product as much as possible without emptying your pockets, that's a really good thing, but you also want to be really realistic on value. It's an amazing time to buy. I can't stress that, and it's going to get even better as the weeks go by. I'm going to predict that August is going to be really, really slow as people try to actually take time off. We're probably going to see less travel interprovincially. We're probably going to see way less travel across the border. People are going to stay home, but I don't think they're going to spend the amount of money they have on their homes that we've seen the last couple of years. We're just not sitting in the same market as we were immediately after the pandemic. So a couple tips. You want to do things that are cheap and cheerful if you're thinking about going to market. And by cheap and cheerful, I mean good quality work, but negotiate with tradespeople to get things done at the right price. If you're looking for recommendations to all of the trades, please do let us know. The one thing that I'm going to ask you for is if you have an amazing landscaper, we're looking for someone to add to our roster, and gardeners. So if you've got recommendations for them, we need people that can serve us across the GTA. But general contractors, tile setters, roofers, gas people, anything that you're looking for, we've got you covered. And if you're thinking about doing some renovations, remember, just before you jump in and do them, get a keen eye on there, get a realtor's perspective, give me a call. I'd be happy to come in and take a look at it with my team and give you tips and tricks on how best to maximize and stretch your dollar. Again, get out there, enjoy this beautiful weather, stay safe, enjoy, and watch out for our next update that's going to be our summer picnic. Yes, that's right, our summer picnic is back on, and it's going to be in July, and I'm really excited to tell you we are so happy to see faces and clients once again safely. So I hope you'll join us at Petticoat Creek this summer. Look forward to seeing you. Enjoy your rest of your May.